Aqua effortlessly monitors, maintains, and improves quality standards. Our innovative software puts the ease of electronic quality evaluations and in-depth reporting at your fingertips. This enables you to proactively monitor quality standards before they become a risk. Aqua is tailored to your operations. We build our software to fit your evaluation standards. Streamline your questionnaires in our easy-to-use, step-by-step interface. Once evaluations are complete, drill down to specific evaluations or pull broad data sets for in-depth comparison and historical reports. Not only can you focus on the quality standards of your business, our robust management features allow you to closely monitor the performance of your employees completing the evaluations. Now let's take a look at the Aqua Tablet application. The tablet app provides access to all your evaluations via Cloud Sync technology. The home screen displays the various evaluation categories on each tab at the top of the screen. Let's go to the Equipment tab. Here, evaluation questions are streamlined for efficiency. The evaluator can easily and quickly tap in their responses. For any failed questions, the report instantly reflects whether this is a consecutive failure in the blue box. In this example, the question also failed in the previous period. The tablet app also provides the option to capture a picture of the failed question and add detailed comments. These comments will appear with the photo in the reports, which we will see later. Once the evaluation is complete, you can touch the Summary tab to find all the failed questions along with any photos or comment. The Home tab includes the evaluation scores per category. This evaluation can then be uploaded to the cloud and detailed reports are auto-generated to the appropriate parties such as the Operations Manager, Evaluator, and Owner. Since the data is aggregated in the cloud, additional standard UDOA charts and reports are generated to track performance at the store and region levels. Although we supply you with standard evaluations and reports, they can be tailored to your operations. Let's take a step away from the tablet app and review what Aqua can do for you. It can increase sales through improved customer hospitality, monitor, manage, and evaluate brand partners effectively, also improve your customers' in-store brand experience, and increase efficiency and reduce costs with digital evaluations. Don't just take our word for it. Here's a quote from the Regional VP of Wingstop. UDOA has transformed our business from a paper-driven process to a fully electronic reporting and analytical evaluation program. The new reports helped us identify missed opportunities and concentrate our efforts onto those metrics which drive our success and growth. For more information or to request a demo, visit us at www.udoa.com.